students, today I am going to talk about introduction of visual communication. What is communication? Communication is the act of giving, receiving and sharing information. In other words, talking or writing and listening or reading. Good communicators listen carefully, speak or write clearly and respect different opinions. Types of communication: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written communication, visual communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication involves the use of spoken words or sign languages to share information. Verbal communication can either happen face-to-face or through other channels such as mobile phones, radio and video conferencing. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication involves passive communication through the use of gesture, tone of voice, body language and facial expression to share your thoughts and feelings. There are many different types of non-verbal communication or body language includes facial expression, body movements and posture, gesture, eye contact, touch, space, voice. Written communication. Written communication includes communicating through writing, typing or printing. It is done through channels such as letters, text messages, emails, social media and books. Visual communication. Visual communication uses graphs, charts, photographs, maps and logos to share information. It is mostly used in combination with verbal or written communication in order to simplify the information. For examples, using slides and flowchart during a presentation makes it easier for the audience to grasp complex data. Functions of communication. Communication serves four major functions within a group of organization. Control. When employees communicate on any job-related grievance to the immediate boss, follow the job description or comply with company policies, communication is performing a control function. Motivation. Communication fosters motivation by clarifying to employees what they must do, how well they are doing it and how they can improve its performance is superb. The formation of specific goals, feedbacks on progress towards the goals and rewards for desired behavior all stimulate motivation and require communication. Emotional expression. Communication is a fundamental mechanism by which the member of group shows their satisfaction and frustrations. Information. Communication provides the information individuals and groups needs to make decisions by transmitting the data needed to identify the evaluate choices. Components of visual communication. Color. A significant visual communication component. Shape. An essential component to create logos. Tones. Emphasize your visual representation. Texture. Enhance the visual experience. Figure ground. Creates a strong contrast visually. Balance. Arranges visual components. Mass communication. Mass communication is the process of transmitting ideas, information, opinion, norms, attitudes, culture, etc. to a relative largely heterogeneous and anonymous audience simultaneously through the use of technological devices. Functions of mass media: to inform, to persuade, education, to entertain, transmission of culture, to build public opinion, to circulate government policies, to disseminate health and education program, surveillance. Shannon and Weaver model of communication. In 1948, Shannon was an American mathematician and electronic engineer and Weaver was an American scientist. Both of them joined together to write an article in the Bell System Technical Journal called A Mathematical Theory of Communication and also called Shannon-Weaver model of communication. The model deals with the various concepts like information source, transmitter, noise, channel, message, receiver, channel, information, destination, encode and decode. Lasswell's model. Lasswell, the American political scientist, states that a convenient way to describe an act of communication is to answer the following questions. Who says what, in which channel, to whom, with what effects. This model is about process of communication and its function to society. According to Lasswell, there are three functions for communication: surveillance of the environment, correlation of components of society, cultural transmission between generations. Hope you understand. Thank you.